So to make it more secure, you can also do a double sheet bend simply by repeating your turns. So like this. So coming from the back, use your finger as a guide, going to those two lines from the back, then passing here where your finger went. Okay, but this time make 2 wraps going to that same loop right there. Okay, and once you cinch that down, okay, this is how it should look like. Okay, that is the double sheet bend knot right there. Again, if you want to connect 2 lines of different diameter, you can simply use this knot. Okay, again, the beauty of these knots is simply you can easily undo it like so.